Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to freeze top row and first column in Excel. Sometimes we have larger data which have numerous columns and numerous rows. So if we go downward like this, we may miss top row which has column names. And if we go rightward like this, then we can miss first column. In this way, we may be confused or data may mislead. In this situation, it is better to freeze top row and first column. So to freeze top row and first column, click here in B2 and then go in View tab, and here you can see Freeze Pane. Click on this and you will get the option of Freeze Pane, Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column. Here we will click on Freeze Pane. So click on this, and now if you will move downward, you can see the first row is freeze, and if you go rightward, you can see the first column is also freeze. Now you can see either we move downward or move towards the right, the first row and first column will remain intact. So this is how you can freeze top row and first column in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.